Hello and welcome to this short tutorial about accessing and using the database JSTOR. To get started, navigate to the library's website, which is at library.csuohio.edu. Then scroll down and click Research Databases, which is at the top of this left-hand column. Here you will find an alphabetical listing of all of our databases. To get to JSTOR, click the J through M tab. Then scroll towards the bottom until you see JSTOR. Then click the title. If you're off campus before you are able to continue, you'll need to enter your library PIN. If you haven't set up your library PIN, take a minute to do so at scholar.csuohio.edu/patroninfo. You can also do it by clicking on the dark green My Account button on the library homepage.